everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I am going to show you what all I received in my Glamego box for the month of February 2018. It's the first time I have subscribed to Glamego box. I have been seeing a lot of Glamego unboxings all over YouTube since the last few months, and finally I couldn't resist and I had to subscribe to them. So if you want to see what all I received in my Glamego box, keep on watching. So the box came inside this cardboard packaging which has Glamego written all over it. When I open the cardboard box, I find out a white colored box again which has Glamego written at the center, and there are a lot of other letters which are printed all over it. So after opening the box, the first thing which comes to my hand is the activated charcoal face mask from Neemly Naturals. Now I really wanted to have a charcoal face mask, but I didn't have one, as charcoal is very good in cleansing the skin, and I have a lot of blackheads going on right here on my nose, and I do have some whiteheads at the sides of my eyes. So I was really looking forward to trying out a charcoal face mask. I might be doing a DIY on this, so do follow me on Instagram. I share on my Insta stories whatever I do on a daily basis. Next thing which comes to my hand is the Chronocare Pollution Stop Face. Now this seems like a toner. I think it's a sample sized product. The next thing which comes to my hand is the Saffron Radiance Face Cream. Now I think this is again a sample sized product. The last thing is a makeup product. This was bubble wrapped, and it's the NELF HD Hydrating Primer. I have already received the foundation from this line in my fab bag, and I'm planning to do a first impressions video on this primer and the foundation. So do keep a look, and I'll be reviewing them very soon. So that was all the products which I had in my Glamego box, and then I have these two cards. The first card has a discount coupon from McCaffeine on their Choco Caffeine face pack. The second card shows the prices of all the products. Now coming to this card which shows the prices, the first product is a McCaffeine Choco face pack, but I hadn't received this in my Glamego box. I actually received the Neemly Naturals Choco face pack instead of that. So the price of this is rupees 550 for 75 grams. Okay, so this looks a bit too expensive for the quantity. Let's see what are the prices of the other products. The Chronocare Pollution Stop Face is worth rupees 495. Okay, so this looks a bit too expensive for a toner. The quantity is just 30 ml, and I think it's again way too priced up. The Nature's Co Radiance Face Cream is worth rupees 550, and this is again a very small tub of 25 ml. I do have a feeling that all these products are a bit too overpriced. So the card shows that the makeup of your choice from wide range is up to rupees 900, and let me check what's the price of this. So it's worth rupees 850, and the quantity is 30 ml. Okay, so this is the only product from this whole box which I think is actually worth the price, but I can't be totally sure until I try this product out. But it seems like it's worth the price, as I really like the packaging of this. It has a pump right here. So I just calculated the price of all the products, and the total price is 2445, and the Glamego box costs rupees 299. I think the box is really affordable, and it's one of the most affordable subscription services in India, but the prices of the individual products seem to be a little way too hyped up. Like this tiny tub of face cream is worth rupees 550. Again, this Chronocare Pollution Stop Face and the Neemly Naturals face pack seems to be a bit overpriced. I'm not exactly coming into a conclusion about them, because first I want to try out these products to check whether they actually worth the price. I shall be reviewing them on my Insta very soon. So if you want to know my review on these individual products, do follow me on Instagram, and I'll be making a review video on YouTube on the NELF primer and the foundation very soon. So that's all for this video, and I know I'm wearing an ethnic attire with all these mehendi and stuff today. It's my best friend's wedding, and if you already follow me on Insta, you might be knowing about it. Okay, so I have done a lot of self-promotion for my Instagram in today's video, but a lot of you guys follow me on YouTube but you don't follow me on Insta. I'm actually more active on Insta. I keep posting what I eat in a day. I keep posting a lot of polls and I'm very active on my Insta stories, and I do reply to all the DMs that I get on my Instagram account. So if you're still not following me on Instagram, then please do. All the links will be in the bottom description bar. I have a blog, I have an Instagram and a Facebook page. And if you are watching me for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell notification button next to it so that you are notified of all my videos. I'll be very happy to have you a part of Team Subhra, and I'm planning to host a giveaway very soon as I have recently reached 2000 subscribers. Thanks for supporting me, thanks for watching my videos, thanks for commenting and motivating me to take my work forward, and I shall see you soon. Until then, bye.